Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Plug a quality USB cable into the phone and computer, then enable USB tethering or mobile hotspot on the phone. This creates the network link. On computers, install the phone's drivers so the OS recognizes the device. Windows often needs a vendor driver. Mac OS uses built-in tethering support. Once done, make sure data plan and permissions allow tethering. Otherwise, the connection might be blocked. This gives you a direct, usable link for the next configuration steps. Next, configure the computer's network settings so traffic flows through the phone. Choose the newly visible adapter, USB Ethernet or the phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, and accept DHCP for automatic IP, DNS, and gateway assignment. If a static IP is required, enter address, mask, and gateway accurately. On Windows, use Network and Sharing Center. On Mac OS, use Network Preferences. Also check your firewall. Allow the adapter or create a rule. Otherwise, connections like browsing or updates may be blocked even though the tether exists. Finally, validate and optimize the connection. Test by pinging a public IP and loading a web page. If speed is sluggish, check signal strength and switch between 4G and 5G or move to a better location. Monitor data usage and pause automatic backups to avoid excessive charges. If the link fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Restart phone and computer, toggle tethering or hotspot off and on, and reinstall drivers if the adapter never appears. This sequence fixes most recognition and routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.